stock market. While it may seem very daunting and technical, the stock market is actually quite a novel idea in doing business and trading for companies. Let's start with the basics. The stock market is a market where instead of actual goods, like say lemons and iPads, shares are being sold or traded here. But what is a share? A share or stock is a piece of a company or a slice. Think of the company as a large pizza. When the company becomes publicly traded, the company's ownership is sold as slices or bits of the company, which means that one share is one unit of ownership. Owning a stock of the company also means that you own a certain percentage based on the value of your stock in the company. If, for example, a company has 100 stocks, then each stock has a 1% share of the company and its profits. So, if the company earned $100,000, 1% or $1,000 goes to a shareholder. Of course, owning shares is not limited to just one. Sometimes, companies have majority shareholders who also have a bigger stake in the company. Companies do this to grow, since when more people buy a share of a company, more cash is generated. When a company grows and becomes more profitable, the shares also increase in value. Going back to the analogy, the pizza also grows, making one slice worth more than it was previously. This is where the stock market comes in. For the people involved in the stock market trade, this is the time to sell the share. If, for example, the share of a company grew in value from $1 to $2, the sale will garner a profit of double the original worth. On the other hand, however, when a company is underperforming, its shares would lose value and would therefore be harder to sell. Going into stock market trading requires a lot of insight and extrapolation. Only time can tell if a company will actually grow and become successful, but it's not a complete gamble. Understanding new trends in tech and marketing may give us an advantage when buying and selling shares. It might be as simple as buy and sell when the profit is high, but there are lots of factors that may dictate the rise and fall of stocks, such as bankruptcy, current trends, political climate, economic climate, and even natural disasters.